Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel, your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are good at preparing for SBI Clerk 2022, and I am providing my daily to-do list videos for SBI Clerk 2022, and you can join with me and make your timetable. And my daily to-do list videos are very helpful for all our upcoming exams. And who are new to my daily to-do list videos, don't worry about 80 plus videos. And daily I changed my topics and is useful for beginners, so don't worry about that. So who are beginners, they can easily understand my daily to-do list videos. And also I am providing daily vocabulary words and small tips and tricks. And start your preparation from today onwards. And if you start from today onwards, you will definitely clear your prelims exam. And also for better understanding, I am providing subtitles also. So while playing my video, on CC option on the top right corner of my video. And let's start our to-do list. As usual, daily in morning till 11 am schedule is same, and that is before 9 am revise all basics of each subject like formulas, tables, squares, and some brief notes of your weak areas. And also attempt English quizzes from Adda247 website. They provide daily quizzes, so attempt all quizzes on daily basis. And after that, give 1 hour for watching editorial video from Adda247 YouTube channel or from Murthy sir YouTube channel. So on daily basis watch editorial video. And after that, on daily basis, attempt a prelims mock test from one of your purchased source or from free source. And for that mock test, I suggest you, for beginners, purchase textbook test series, and that is very useful. And who are already preparing, they can purchase Ollyboard or Smartkida. And also first attempt a free mock test from the test series, and then choose which is best as per your convenience. And those are very helpful for all our prelims and mains exam. So choose the best as per your convenience and attempt a prelims mock test on daily basis. And after that, give 1 hour for each subject of quant, reasoning, and English for practicing prelims level. And all of you know, most of the syllabus and topics are covered in English, quant, and reasoning. And still we have some remaining topics in quant, arithmetic topics, and reasoning almost done. So practice some missing topics. And for English, there are only some small topics only. So tomorrow for quant section, attempt quizzes from Adda247 app and textbook apps for the topic of ages. And also for reasoning section of prelims, tomorrow attempt quizzes from Adda247 and textbook apps for the topic of uncertain number puzzles. So tomorrow attempt quizzes from those apps. And in afternoon, I planned for mains preparation. And who are beginners, they all revise and practice PDFs for your weak areas where you are lacking. And also if missed any topics, practice for those. And who are beginners, they give 1 hour for English section. So for that English section, tomorrow there is a video part 2 for the topic of error correction. So watch that video for tomorrow who are beginners for English section of prelims. And who are preparing for mains, they give 1 hour for each subject of quant, reasoning, and English. And also we are all attempted mains level quizzes from different apps. And also I am sharing my screenshots of attempted quizzes course. And you can also share with me in my Telegram group of your attempted quizzes course. And in afternoon, who are preparing for mains, tomorrow attempt quizzes from Practice Mark website for our mains preparation, and they are freely available. So tomorrow attempt quizzes from that app, and they are very helpful for our mains preparation for English, quant, and reasoning. And if you have any doubts about these topics, videos, quizzes, PDFs, you can ask in my Telegram group, your Bankers Mantra, and I will provide that link in description. And in my Telegram group, I will share every topics, video links, PDFs, and quizzes course. So join my Telegram group. And in evening, give your time for reading current affairs. So read daily current affairs. And last week we complete March 1st week current affairs. So tomorrow start from March 2nd week current affairs from the sources of Adda247 or Study IQ or Affairs Cloud. And my suggestion is Affairs Cloud is the best to read current affairs. And after that, before going to sleep, attempt a second prelims mock test of the day and analyze the weak areas of 2 marks where you are lacking, and prepare some brief notes for your weak areas and spend more time on your weak areas. And that's all for tomorrow's to-do list. Be consistent and confident on your preparation. And thanks for watching this video, and thanks for being with me. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates and latest updates.